Now take a look at our beautiful Christmas wreath. I absolutely love it because it looks like everyone is holding hands, which is perfect for this time of year. Now, if you'd like to make your very own Christmas wreath, here's what you'll need. A paper plate, some green paper or card, red pom-poms, ribbon, sticky tape, a glue stick, a pencil or pen, and a pair of scissors. First, cut the middle out of a paper plate. It's a bit tricky and scissors are sharp, so you will need a grown-up to help you. This is the base for your wreath. Draw around your hand on the green paper or card, then cut out your handprint. Do this lots of times until you have enough handprints to cover the plate. Then use your glue to stick them down. Now stick down some red pom-poms to look like berries. You could also use red stickers or paint. Attach some ribbon to the back using some sticky tape so you can hang it up. And there you have it, our Christmas hand wreath. Now you don't just have to use your hand, you could use a grown-up's hand or a friend's hand, and that makes it extra special because it'll feel like we're all together. What do you think, Dodge?
Oh, I love it, Evie! We have loads more Christmas craft ideas right here on the CBeebies website. Just tap the Make and Colour bug to see more great ideas right now.